Ravindran, and my metric number is 06DKA17F2025. Then my teammates are Kumarita and Kishan. My lecturer's name is Puan Nur Aziza. Then my project name is Smart Rainwater Harvesting. So introduction about the smart rainwater harvesting is rainwater harvesting is the utilization of scientific techniques to collect and store rainfall. It is involved to collection of water from the surface that rain has fallen upon. It is the most effective method considering water, collecting rainwater into the storage tanks to prevent wastage. Rainwater harvesting is the cheap and more reliable alternative traditional and supply methods. Then scope of project. Our scope of project is we decided to our project of rainwater harvesting is at Brick Workshop of Polytechnic Protection. We also did rainwater pH test to determine the quality of water. We are also doing a water filter to filter the dust and leaf to keep the water clean. These are the sample before they do at the Polytechnic Protection. These are the example of rainwater harvesting that place at the Brick Workshop also at Polytechnic Protection before this. And then the problem statement of the before this project is lack of rain at protection area and no water supply during the water tank and maintenance. Decrease the price of the water bills. So these are the example of rainwater harvesting at placed at the mosque at Taman Poly. Objective Objective of this project is to design the smart rainwater harvesting at Polytechnic Protection and to determine the water quality from smart rainwater harvesting, to design the water filter from rainwater harvesting. Thank you. That's all from me, and then my friend will continue.
Good afternoon. My name is Kumarita, daughter of Narendran. Number of matrix 06DKA17 F1162. Now I'm going to talk about the advantage and disadvantage of rainwater harvesting. First is easy to maintain. Utilizing the rainwater harvesting system provides certain advantages to the community. And then disadvantages: unpredictable rainfall. Rainfall is hard to predict, and sometimes little or no rainfall can limit the supply of rainwater. It is not advisable to depend on rainwater alone for all your water needs in areas where there is limited rainfall. Rainwater harvesting is suitable in those areas that receive plenty of rainfall. Second, reducing water bills. Water collected in the rainwater harvesting system can be put to use for several non-drinking functions as well. Disadvantage is initial high cost. Depending on the system size and technological level, a rainwater harvesting system may cost anywhere between 200 ringgit to 2000, and benefit from it cannot be derived until it is ready for use. Third one, suitable for irrigation. As such, there is little requirement for building new infrastructure for the rainwater harvesting system. Most rooftops act as a workable catchment area which can be linked to the harvesting system. Regular maintenance. Rainwater harvesting system require regular maintenance as they may get prone to rodents, mosquitoes, algae growth, insects and lizards. They can become as breeding grounds for many animals if they are not properly maintained. Next one, literature review. Smart rainwater is a key component of living the life in this world. Of course, it is impossible to continue living without the presence of water. We contain almost all water. Do you know that even though 70% of the earth is covered by water, only 3% of that water is fresh water, while the other 2% is ice, and only 1% of the water experiences a hydrological cycle that continues to flow into rivers or lakes. In Malaysia, we are blessed with the abundant supply of rain, but sometimes hot weather occurs in Malaysia. Frequently, summer temperatures in the country will affect our daily lives. Methodology: literature review, then design, produce product, testing and result and analysis. Water tank. A water tank is a container for storing water. Water tanks are used to provide storage of water for use in many applications: drinking water, irrigation, agriculture, fire suppression, agriculture arming, both for plants and livestock, as well as many other uses. Various materials are used for making a water tank. Tank is a variable, that is plastics, polythene, polypropylene, fiberglass. Water tanks are an efficient way to help developing countries store clean water. Design. By design, a water tank or container should do no harm to the water. Water is susceptible to a number of ambient negative influence, including bacteria, virus, algae, changes in pH, and accumulation of minerals, accumulated gas. Then, the contamination can come from a variety of organisms, including piping, tank, construction, materials, animal and bird feces, mineral and gas intrusion. A correctly designed water tank works to address and mitigate these negative effects. These are the materials: PVC water tank 400 gallon, and the PVC pipe, plumbing parts to connect the pipes, water tap head, and then the water tank to do filter, and PVC glue, silicone glue. That's all. Thank you.
Selamat petang. Nama saya Kishan Kumar, analis lelaki Ganesan, nombor kad matrik 06DKA17F1159. Okay, the next slide is material. Kita guna material tank ini 200 gallon. Lepas tu kita guna pipe PVC. Lepas tu itu parts, plumbing parts T dengan L. Lepas itu tap water untuk sambung depan tu. Lagi ini stand kita orang nak letak tank tadi punya. Lepas itu ini untuk guna filter, nak filter air punya. Ini untuk gum filter punya ni, yang atas punya, nak gum punya. Ini projek kita orang, projek produk kita yang sedia ada di bengkel Polytechnic Production. Yang ni lah projek kita orang. Sekarang filter ya. Okay, water filter kita guna dalam water filter. Yang paling bawah ini cakul. Yang atas batu-batu semua, yang batu yang kita letak dekat aquarium punya, batu-batu filter lah semua. Ini contoh rainwater sebelum filter, selepas filter. Boleh nampak contoh. Okey, ini gancat rainwater harvesting. Selain itu, we hope all polytechnic students will support our project, and we hope our project will be helpful to others. That's all from me. Thank you.